Philo, and I can say by way, Michelle Kotoko Modimo boy, our Moko Fie with a 0-1. No, Sana I can say fire, and I send our Felicia.
As usual, no team ne ball modern year. Omubo ball power, but hard luck too is part of football. It me who said yesterday hard luck because you say a mum now here that point, a very very important point by Anthony Angie. The American boys now say in all no, they did well. About 95% them remember. And they should forget about this lose. There was another tough match which is Ice Gold. And no one say what's your dream.
Major Wamakoromi Bissau, Osha changes a coach here. Now player bit is a Latif and Abila. Now ye Fabio Freemuno. And your effect where Swana.
And your effect because Anabila also free injury neighbor. Now your team, you start yana, you play a bako, a prayer, Obiti say Habib Musosono, or no Sosona take it a ball, Nimuma, or free Muno, who changes. Almost so mobile and they are coming from injury. I know minutes now, no more under normal circumstances. And Abila no free injury, and yes, I quite when you're 3 yellow cancer. Now, Abila started. Sakwa started now Nabila from bench, but Nabila no free bench, free injury never. And you know, mean can ask him be brace.
You feel better, say, and you say, Kotoko, and you